Yes. Now you can see that application has been stopped. Okay. Application has been stopped successfully. Okay, right? Now see, kernel now see so now see so downloaded kernel I have placed in location and I have uncar also. So what I need to do, I need to place in this location so that it gets convert to the new version. So check what is the existing version. This plus work, so 28. So when I execute, when I overwrite, so it should come 101 in place of 28. So that means kernel has been upgraded. Okay, right? So now see what I will do. Just carefully see here. CP space hyphen PR, CP space hyphen PR. You need to put one forward slash. Here you need to put star. So here star means inside this directory, whatever the inside this directory will copy to this location and your kernel will be done and it will be overwrite. Okay. So what is the path? This is the path for the kernel, right? UC slash Linux x86 64-bit. So you are copying the file under the kernel directory which you have created. So star means inside that one. So that will copy to this location. Okay. So now I will enter it. Now I will enter it. And now check the version. Check the whether it has been updated or not. So you can see it has been updated. Yes or no? Got it? Hello. Kernel has been done or not? Yeah. So this is the way you need to do kernel upgrade. Okay. So now after that, so post mandatory steps. Now the post mandatory steps. So post mandatory steps after kernel upgrade, you need to give the permissions. Okay. So in the root directory, in the root user. So come out from here. Come out from here and go to the location of the kernel. So what is the location of the kernel? You need to go. Okay. So here the kernel you have upgraded, right? So here you need to execute this command /sap root .sh followed by SID. So what is the SID of the system? EH7. So this is one of the post mandatory steps. So it will give the permission to BR tools. So see, BR backup, ICM bin. See, it giving the permission to the BR tools, all the BR tools functionality, BR backup, BR archive, BR connect, ISM BND also it is giving the permission. So in interview, they will ask, what is the post mandatory step after the kernel upgrade? So you need to what will be the answer? You need to give the permission to the BR tools and ISM BND in the root user and in the kernel location. exe, SAP MNT SID exe UC Linux X 8064-bit. In that you need to execute /SAP root.sh followed by SID. So this is one of the post mandatory steps. Okay. So now you need to start the SAP. Okay. Start SAP R3 only. So it is starting. Yeah, tell me any doubts still here. So your kernel has been done. So now you need to do practice, right? So how you will do practice? I will revert back. I will put revert back to the previous version. Now you need to do from 28 to 101. So this is your assignment. So whatever I have done, I will put revert back. Okay. Okay. I will revert back. Now you need to apply and give this permission. Okay. Ardhamaitanda, are you understanding?
Yes.
I will give revert. I will keep the kernel to the old version. Now you need to practice. So now you can see SAP has been started. So now you can cross check also. So it has been updated. And you can log into the system and check also if you want. Go to SM51. Done? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So you can check in SM51, SMICM or system status. What I have told you, you can check. Okay. So when we will do the revert back, when your system is not getting up after kernel upgrade, then you need to revert back. So that's why backup is crucial here. Don't do any activity, not only kernel upgrade, whatever the activity you are doing, without any backup, please kindly don't do it, because you will be in a serious trouble. See, any issues will come, then you can't do anything. If there is a backup, you can replace it. Otherwise, you will be in a big trouble. Not about the kernel. Anything you will do, make sure that latest backup is available.
Yeah.
This is the mandatory. Okay. Now see. Now how to put revert back? Right. So what I will do, I will go one step back. Where my backup is there. So this is the backup. Okay. So this is the old kernel backup. Okay. So this is the old kernel backup, right? Okay. So what I will do, I will revert back it. CP space -PR /star kernel path. Okay. See, enter kortunanu. Now execute this plus work. See, వచ్చిందా పాత వర్షన్ కి వచ్చిందా లేదా? yes or no? హలో, అర్థమైతుందా? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I have revert back it. So you need to do practice. Okay, understood. Right? Yes or no? So what you need to do? You need to take backup. So what I will do? You take the backup. So what I will do? I will delete this one also. So I have deleted. Okay. So what I will do? I will put those file in the Prasanna. Okay. Prasanna. I will put in the Prasanna location. So now I have deleted those. So I will copy those file in the Prasanna location. So from Prasanna location, you need to do. Ekkadundi Prasanna? Here we go. So I will put this file in your location, Prasanna.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Permission ivandi, backup తీసుకోండి. So I will delete the backup also. Okay. So I don't know how you will do. That's why you do it do on your own and see my recording multiple times. So this is your task. Okay. So I have copied, I have downloaded, I have copied those software files in Prasanna location. Now what I will do? I know when you practice, you will definitely do mistake. So for my safety, I don't want to lose my system. So what I will do? This operation is not allowed. It is telling. Okay, no problem. So I have deleted the backup also. Okay. So please kindly, when you do this activity, please take the backup, please. This is my humble request. సో మీరు వితౌట్ బ్యాకప్ తీసుకొని ట్రై చేస్తే ఏమైనా అయితే మీరే రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ. ఆ పవన్తోనే మీరే మాట్లాడాలా, నాకు సంబంధం లేదు. ఏమైనా అయితే మీ రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ. సో నేను ఎలా బ్యాకప్ తీసుకున్నాను నేమింగ్ అలా తీసుకొని చెయ్యాలా. ఇన్ రియల్ టైమ్ యూ నీడ్ టు డూ లైక్ దిస్ ఓన్లీ. ఇఫ్ సంథింగ్ హ్యాపెన్ టు దిస్ సిస్టమ్, please talk to that server guy and you need to pay those charges because this is not my server. So try to do carefully. ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే అడగండి, మళ్ళీ చెప్తాను. మీరు ఇష్టం వచ్చి చేసి డిలీట్ చేస్తే సో దెన్ నో వన్ విల్ బేర్ దిస్. ఓకే ఓకే. సో నేను డిలీట్ చేశాను బ్యాకప్ కూడా. సో మీరు బ్యాకప్ తీసుకొని చేయాలా. ఓకే, అండర్స్టూడ్. సో ఇప్పుడే అందరు ఫ్రీగా ఉన్నారు కదా. సో ఇప్పుడే మీరు ముగ్గురు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. ఓకే. సో ఐ విల్ స్టాప్ ఇన్ రికార్డింగ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ సెషన్ ఆల్సో. Thank you. Bye.